Still rolling meatballs one by one? What if you could make 32 perfectly sized meatballs at the same time in just a few minutes? This kitchen gadget is about to change meal prep forever. If you cook for a family, love meal prepping, or simply want to save time in the kitchen, the Meatball Master by Shape Plus store is a gadget you'll definitely want to check out. Instead of rolling every meatball by hand, this clever tool lets you create up to 32 evenly sized 1-ounce meatballs in a single batch. That means less prep time, less mess, and consistently perfect results every time. Whether you're making classic Italian meatballs, turkey meatballs, chicken meatballs, veggie meatballs, or even homemade meatballs for freezing, this tool helps you prepare large batches quickly and efficiently. The container holds up to 2 pounds of meat, making it perfect for weekly meal prep, family dinners, holiday cooking, or stocking your freezer with ready-to-cook meals. It's made from BPA-free plastic, so you can prep food with confidence, and the durable design is built for repeated everyday use. One of the biggest advantages is consistency. Every meatball comes out the same size, helping them cook more evenly while giving your meals a cleaner, more professional presentation. Cleanup is also quick and simple, making it a practical addition to almost any kitchen. If you're thinking about adding this time-saving gadget to your kitchen, be sure to check the first Amazon link in the description to see today's price, current discounts, and customer reviews before the deal changes. For busy families, home cooks, and anyone who enjoys meal prepping, the Meatball Master can save valuable time while making cooking easier and more enjoyable. If you love discovering smart Amazon kitchen gadgets that actually make cooking easier, hit that subscribe button because we feature the best kitchen finds every week. And if you're interested in the Meatball Master, check the Amazon link in the description for today's latest price, available offers, and thousands of real customer reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.